Atome is a platform that allows users to make payments in installments. It helps people buy things they need without having to pay the full amount up front. Here's how it works. Number one, shopping. When you find something you want to buy, you could choose Atome as your payment option as at your checkout. So basically, number two, payment plan. Instead of paying the total amount right away, Atome lets you split the payment into 3 equal parts. You pay the first part immediately, and then the next 2 payments are due in the following weeks. Okay? Number 3, no extra fees. If you make your payment on time, there are usually no extra fees. This makes it easier to manage your budget. Okay? Number 4, app use. Atome has a user-friendly app where you can track your purchases and payments, making it simple to keep up with what you owe. All right? Atome is popular because it helps people buy what they want or what they need without putting too much strain on their finances. That's what it's for. It's a flexible way to shop.